Today I'm going to show you a feature which we've been working on for the past few months, and it's multi-factor authentication for Piccolo Admin. So it's a huge amount of effort and I'm super excited to show you. Okay, so let's have a quick look. So you'll see here that in the create admin function for Piccolo Admin, there's this new option now called MFA providers. And what this is, if we click on this, we have these subclasses, and this is our main one at the moment called Authenticator provider. And what this means is you can use an app like Google Authenticator to log into Piccolo Admin. And it has this other option here called encryption provider. And what we've done is we encrypt the secrets in the database for an extra layer of security, because the way multi-factor authentication works is there's a shared secret on the user's phone and in the database. So we don't want that secret to leak. And then we have recovery code count, which is set to 8 by default. So what this means is if a user loses their phone, they can use their recovery codes to still log in. And then we have a few more options here. For example, you can override the styles if you're using it outside of Piccolo Admin in your Fast API app. Okay, so let's do a quick demo of MFA in Piccolo Admin. So here's the usual login page. So for now, we don't have MFA set up. So what the user will do is they'll go to the drop down menu and they'll see this MFA setup link. And what it does is ask you for your password. So the reason we do this is if someone briefly had access to your laptop, if they turned on MFA, then it would basically lock you out of your account. So just to prevent that. So if we put in our password, you'll see here that it's generated the QR code. And what we do is we take our Authenticator app on our phone. So I'm using Google Authenticator. And what it will do is allow us to scan a QR code. So I'm just going to scan the QR code. And now we have it on our phone. So it's generating this new code, this time-based code. And you'll notice that here at the bottom it lists the recovery codes as well. So it's important to keep those somewhere safe. So you might write them down, print them off, whatever you feel secure, where it's separate from your phone. So if you lost your phone, you still have the recovery codes. So if we go back now, and if I log out, the next time I log in, it now has this new piece here where it says MFA code. So all I do is I just go to my phone, I get the latest code, I enter it, and now I'm in. So it's still quite a seamless experience, but this adds a huge amount of extra security to Piccolo Admin. So clearly we're really excited to bring it to users, and I'm super excited to use it in my apps. So that's it for today. I hope you get a lot of use out of this feature, and I'll catch you next time.